drinking at parties sounded like a great gig for a 25-year-old Jamaican selector, but the working trip turned into a nightmare once the beating started.
Sad story, not like
Activate.
Tell them, son of, tell them, son of, tell them, son of.
Let me tell you why you're here. This is a dangerous groups that we're dealing with now.
Whistle, all them a get surprised, all them a get surprised, all them a get surprised.
A relieved Rowan Morrison back home on a lane off Barbican Road. Uptown Wacky, as he's known, says he signed a contract with Yellow Choice Sound for a 3-month stint spinning in Japan. He couldn't show us a copy, but there's no doubt Wacky was in Japan. He produced a letter of invitation and travel documents. Wacky had worked before with Yellow Choice in Jamaica.
I tell them I work like, in Jamaica, normally I work like 15 or 2 grand a night. Them say, alright, them willing to pay me the 50 base a night. Them can't pay me the 2 grand a night. Say, alright, go with them and sign a contract as in work with them as a MC.
Once in Japan, things went okay initially, but Wacky's Japanese bosses soon began to complain about his performance. Then they got heavy-handed.
Out here, them didn't have the fault because I work out here and I get my money. When we reach over there, them say them find a lot of fault because I can't keep the Japanese them in the dance. Them say the Japanese people I walk out of the dance. The boss himself know that I yellow. When me done work in my jam way in a corner, look for me and I tell me say, yo, nobody believe say the crowd them we are real a while ago, you make them real, you know, the tune them when me I play the people, I'm used to them so them afraid. So in myself me I say blouse and skirt or what is now? Them say lock me up in a house and beat me and I say boy, oh, if you dance, if you not perform good, you get whole heap of liquor, we not stop beat you.
On top of kicks and punches, Wacky says he was burnt with a car lighter, forcibly given a haircut because he looked, quote, like a black monkey, and starved. Footage of the abuse was reportedly streamed live over the internet. His earlobe was wrong so badly, it's now disfigured.
After we done work, when me check, so when me done work, I'm going to get my money, and the money me get a beat, me get. All them a get surprised, all them a get surprised, all them a get surprised. The beat when they give me never really get them beat. They're Jamaica yet still in a car. Jamaica was born and grew, me never get them beat yet. Like, I wrap all the towel around them on and them thing, they cover up them part, yeah. That means say, no spot can't live on a black and blue. You understand me? I say, them wrap this round them on. And I beat thump, face thump and all of them thing there. More time I try run and then kick where my foot. I drop a gun and them a step all of my chest and all of them thing there.
Yeah, that's what happens, man. Oh my God!
One of them locked me up in a house and I tell me, say, boy, you might forgot trim me because the starley when me have me look like a black monkey. So me need to go trim.
Watch I fire the thing, put him on the cool face, like Ben.
Me in the car, and like one in the back seat and one a drive. And him a hold me neck up, while the other one I use the lighter and I burn me. Burn with it and I lick with the lighter and still I use the lighter and I burn me and I say, oh, I kill me, want to kill you, but I can't get to kill you, you know.
Yo, I want to some man. Boy, them a flip like Sony Ericsson.
I ring me ears until me ears swell big like orange, me ears swell big. And when me ears swell big, then still I talk up on me ears and still I ring it and all of them thing there. So like we go some bumps now and certain people where friend of me meet a dance side, them I look on them and I say, John, no yellow. You need to take care of the Jamaican. And I say, yo, mommy, I bring him to a doctor, man. And true, him I get pressure on them thing there. Him kind of buy out. But they must say the wrong thing in buy. The thing when you put on your foot, like when you feel pain, and put it over me ears, but it's like the Japanese woman, they must say, the wrong thing that he do, cause that suck out the gristle. Cause reverse the grizzly, they broke. When you put that on it, it kind of reverse suck out the grizzly. That means that the grizzly go flat. And that's what I say. So at that now, make it come that way. Yeah. And when we go hospital out here, they must say it's like nothing can be done to it. You have to go to plastic surgery. In the room with me there, when me I get beaten, Yellow have a laptop in there turn on, and before him start beat me, he get contact with that man first. And like him start tell that man say, me nah ram up the dance and him don't know what to do. And then they attack. Talk until he start beat me. Sometimes he hold me and jam me and put me in front of the laptop. And meanwhile, me I talk to that one out up on the laptop, me I get beat the same way.
Wacky begged to be sent home, but his tormentors claimed they hadn't made back what they spent on his ticket.
The group of them known by Big Bad Mighty Yellow Choice. One of them named Yellow. You have Yellow, you have Taki, you have Big Bird. Them are the three main one were involved in the execution. In Japan, them live like Osaka. Them live in Osaka, because I stay like in a Kishiwada. And one at a time, like them send me there too far from them. They move over from Kishiwada and bring me in Osaka to stay with them. So one at the time is like, they want to take me out of the house and they must say, boy, like, me don't worry twice for sleep in a house. So them start to tell me, say, boy, I have to go sleep in a, like, the final month for me come down now. Them tell me, say, boy, I have to go start sleeping at the car. They understand me, I say, because them spend $2,500 US and me no make them make it back.
Are you sure nothing else went wrong because they've worked with you in Jamaica? You go to Japan.
Yeah.
What do you think really changed? It really can't be that you weren't performing. Well, they know you to perform.
To me, the thing that changed the whole entire story, them I look for make back $2,500 US in space of 3 months after me, and it didn't work out.
Wacky's ordeal appeared to end when he was given a return ticket. He arrived in Jamaica on October 17, penniless and traumatized.
When I there in Jamaica, I never have one scab on my foot. As usual, I can't ask anybody. I be a short pants me usually wear. Right now, we can't make the girl them see me wearing a short pants.
In a weird follow-up to Wacky's litany of horrors, the selector claims he was again assaulted by a Japanese in a mix-up over dub plates. The man, named Taki, was arrested by police.
Me say some Japanese bring food go give him around 2 to 3 days ago, and the police them run him when I say no food for him, no water for him. So exactly, me think say, me feel when me go through.
Yeah, that's what happens, man. Oh my God!
Wacky wants compensation from his Japanese abusers. He only heard from them after the story broke on TVJ, but he's been instructed by his lawyers not to communicate with them directly.